dream I know, deep up my feelings for you. Watch.
Hello reality viewers, welcome back again to Reality Latest Gist, the home of news and politics. For this channel, we dey drop news every day and we dey react to every videos wey comes our way. And na reality news now we dey drop for this channel, and we dey also dey talk am as e be. If today na the first time we say you dey come across this channel, you are highly welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you are returning subscribers, I appreciate all of una for una massive support to this channel. I say may God bless all of una in Jesus name. Amen. I get video where I want present to una this very moment, and I go to follow una, they watch the video. After we don't watch them together, make we drop our opinion constructively for the comment section. Like our videos and also share our videos if possible. Bye for now.
Noise. There is no charge against any leader of the party.
No forgery charge.
No charge. No charge has been filed. And you don't try a criminal matter by originating summons. A criminal matter is tried by a charge being filed in court, either by the police or somebody who has an authority to institute to file a charge in court.
But there was a petition.
No charge has been filed. Yes.
There was a petition.
Anybody can write a petition. Any petition can be investigated. It is now the people who are investigating the petition, like the police, to find out that yes, we have a case against this person and take the matter to court. Till today, there has been no charge
against Mr.
No charge against the National Secretary Umar Farouk. No charge against the National Treasurer Olusegun. No charge against Clement Ojukwu.
So why all this furore?
All this noise is just to mislead the public and mislead the Honorable Court. They went to that court making allegations of crime which are unfounded because there is no charge. These people have never been tried. Somebody that has not been tried cannot be found guilty. They have never even been tried. They have not been questioned. No charge.
The prayers is that there are petitions and there are speculations, because not until when a court of competent jurisdiction rule on a matter, especially issues of criminal dimension, is still in the realm of speculation.
Yes.
So when they went to court and said, look, my lord, this is happening in our party, and there is this allegation, and we suspect that this person has done this, and they brought forth some document which they said these are forged documents. And done on behalf of the party, and we suspect that there are some criminal behaviors that have gone on in the party, and this is the basis on which they prayed to court that Mr. Abure and co should step aside. But their own thinking, I mean, because I've spoken to them a few times, is that, look, if there are these petitions against you, why don't you present yourself on this matter and let the court decide and step aside? Does it make sense to you that there is a need to step aside?
Doesn't make any sense. These are unfounded allegations. These things never happened. If somebody has been alleged to have committed the crime, he's presumed innocent. That's Nigerian law. He's innocent until his guilt is proved. In fact, the process of even proving the guilt of this has not started. Nobody has filed any charge against them. These are just trump-up allegations that were placed to just mislead the Honorable Court. Unfortunately, the Honorable Court was misled to grant that ex parte order. We are dissatisfied but we wanted to say, okay, let us place our objection before the court. That was the essence of preliminary objection, for the court to see why that court lacks power to look into all these things. If anybody wants to try a person, should file a charge. If the police want to try,
one of the prayers is that challenging the jurisdiction of the court on this matter is whether the court has a power, or has the jurisdiction rather, to entertain a matter involving the internal crisis of the party.
Yes, jurisdiction is actually the power of a court to hear and determine a matter that is.
But the court has said it has jurisdiction.
Yes, but we believe that the court lacks power, and that is why we are now appealing to the Court of Appeal to look at that. This court lacks power. We are dissatisfied with the decision of the court to say he has power.
Have you appealed the matter?
Yes.
When did you do that?
An appeal has been filed today.
Today?
Records will be transmitted.
At the Court of Appeal?
Yes. Let the line justice of... The record will be transmitted next week. The appeal has been filed. That's the process. Records will be transmitted. Let the Court of Appeal look at it, whether that court actually has power to hear and determine this matter. Our opinion is that the court lacks power. Though the court has expressed a contrary opinion, well, that is the opinion of the court. But we believe that opinion is wrong, and we are challenging it, and we are saying to our last part to even look at this pattern in the first place.
Okay, so you are of the opinion that a matter involving the internal wrangling within a party should not be judicially reviewed. Is that the position of your side?
The truth is that a political party, just like any voluntary organization, you voluntarily submitted yourself to be a member of that organization, and you must abide by the rules, by the regulations of that organization, by the constitution of that organization. And a party is supreme over its affairs. And if a party says, this is my national chairman, that is the national chairman, that's what the party has said. Nobody has a right. A political party is not a place where you seize power or where you hijack power. There are procedures.
But when there is a conflict,
yes,
of how and manner, or in the manner in which things should progress within an association such as a political party,
yes,
where do you suppose that the matter should be taken to?
In as much as that party has done all the things that done in accordance with its constitution, the courts cannot interfere. It is only when a political party is flouting its own constitution, the court will say, okay, this constitution, if whatever has been done has been in accordance with the constitution, then there's no way.
But Mr. Lamidi Apapa says he is now the chairman. That's what the court says. It's valid. What he says valid today.
That court has never said Lamidi Apapa is the national chairman, and that issue is not even before the court.
What made him to infer so?
They are just creating problem. They just want to create some confusion. They are being paid. They are hired agents. They are hirelings. What they want to do? There is a momentum now in Nigeria.
That is the word going around.
Yes,
that they are being paid.
Yes,
give us an understanding of that dimension.
The dimension is there is a momentum now in Nigeria. The masses of Nigeria, they have taken their own destiny in their own hands, and they are ready to cause a change. This momentum is making some people uncomfortable. Those who are benefiting from the status quo, those who are benefiting from the old order, where people dictate to people, that old order, some people are comfortable with it because they are enjoying it. But now the masses of Nigeria, they have moved. These are an exodus, and there is a momentum, and they are afraid. Why they are attacking the party now was because formerly they didn't take the party too seriously, but they have seen what the party is doing, and they now believe that let us try to scotch you this momentum. Let us try to
on the Julius Abure side, the belief is that Lamidi Apapa and the rest are being paid. That's what you said.
Yes, they are being paid.
By who? Who is paying them?
Political opponents, of course. There are some political parties who are afraid.
18 political parties.
Yes, it will be the major ones.
Who are those?
The APC, majorly.
Are the ones
yes. Now this is it.
So you think? So your belief and your accusation tonight is that the APC, according to you, is funding Lamidi Apapa to scuttle or to distort or to dismember the Labour Party. Is that your position tonight?
Yes, all the political parties that stole votes in the last election, APC and some PDP in some areas who stole the votes of a Labour Party. Now we are now at the tribunal, and they are seeing the way we are going. They are seeing that we are going to win most of our cases at the tribunal, and they have seen that. How do we do it? Can we weaken this movement? Can we slow them down?
Do you have evidence of this allegation?
They have said it. They have been writing to tribunals to withdraw cases. Lamidi Apapa has signed letters to the tribunal that say that Labour Party is withdrawing. But this is it's all a joke. There's no way they can get away with it.
Is that the evidence of money taken?
Yes, they are reaching. How will they do it? They are being paid to do it. How will they write letters to tribunals withdrawing petitions filed by the party? They thought they could do it, but that is ignorant. Because when the petition is filed, apart from the council who filed the petition signing the petition, the petitioners also sign. Now, if the petitioners have signed, the petitioner including the party, somebody has signed on behalf of the party, how can an external person who has no legal authority
Mr. Edun, I assume because you're a lawyer, yes, you know the ramification of the allegation that you have leveled. And I'm asking for the evidence.
There's circumstantial evidence. Let me tell you, circumstantial evidence can be so strong and cogent. Yes, can be so strong and cogent as to be believed. Circumstantial evidence can be so cogent.
And do you have this as real as it comes?
Yes, we can see it. How will they write? If you say you are the national chairman of a political party, though it's claiming that wrongfully, is claiming that ignorantly because nobody, there is a procedure by which you emerge. Nobody, even in that court that they are.
Mr. Kinde Edun, your parting shot tonight. If this whole thing does not go in the way of Mr. Julius Abure, what do you think is the imminent danger that lies ahead? It
will sure go in the way of Barrister Julius Abure. Apapa has no legal right, has not acquired any legal right. The court has not said so. The court has only been misled to give that order. We are appealing that order, and we are sure the Court of Appeal will support our position that that court lacks power to even hear them at all.
Could there be a political resolution to this problem?
Well, in politics, there will always be interplay of ideas and all that. But I find that some of these people are so unscrupulous.
Do you think that is
the party is better? That the party is better? That yes, surely. But they don't know that this is beyond Peter Obi. Peter Obi himself knows that it is the people of Nigeria, the ordinary people of Nigeria, that are behind him. And he's confident about this. You cannot put the people down forever.
Right.
The people have risen up, and the people they now understand their power, and they are behind Peter Obi, they are behind Julius Abure, and there's no way you can put the whole of Nigeria down.
Kinde Edun.
Yeah, thank you.